education.com. What is biology? Bio means life and logy means study. Biology means study of life. On your way across school campus, take a moment to look around you. You will notice a variety of organisms around you. Example: sparrow, squirrel, trees, bushes, grasses, etc. In addition to the countless tiny ones, these all living things are studied under the head of scientific discipline called biology. The word biology is composed of two Greek words: bios means life and logos means discover, thought, reasoning, or it's simply the study. It is a branch of nature science that deal with organisms and different phenomena of life. Biology is further divided into main two main branches: botany and second theology. Botany Botany means plants. It is a branch of biology which deals with the scientific study of plant, while branch of biology which deal with scientific study of plants, while zoology deal with the deal with the scientific study of animals according to the revised classification system. All the small, uh, usually microscope organisms which were previously classified as plants or animals have on been separated into independent groups. Study of these microorganisms is called microbiology. The study of biology provided information about: first, various kinds of living organisms existing on Earth. Second, relation of existing organism with extinct organism. Third is identification and grouping of living organism on the basis of similarities. This similarities and relationship. Fourth is structure function of an organism. Number 5, inheritance of characters from one generation to next generation. Number 6, relationship of organism to their environment. And number 7, harmful and beneficial effect produced by different living organism and etc. So this is the introduction of biology. Please subscribe my channel and like and good comment.